Welcome back, everybody. So, just got off work. I picked up cleaning supplies. It's in the bag. Some cheap brushes and stuff like that. I'll show you later. But I don't know. You guys ready to get dirty? I bought Subway. Gonna eat a Subway sandwich real quick. There's not really any family-owned restaurants around me that sell sandwiches. So yes, Subway. If you're wondering. Oh my god. A spot down the street from Ox Shop when we ate that sandwich. Pause. But I mean, they obviously got their own sandwiches. I got something about like Italian blondie or something. It was something blondie. It was spicy. Well, I asked for extra spicy. Oh my god, it was so good. Me, Ock, Trap, and Tim Scott. That shit was lit. But no. Gotta go ahead, eat my sandwich. Show you what we guys. Show you guys what we got. So, I don't know. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm gonna get back into vlogging some more, and yeah, just enjoy. Alright guys, so in the garage, I changed shirt, faded Bugs Bunny. Something I wouldn't mind getting greasy, dirty, you know, grimy water after we scrub, you know. But anyway, of course we have Tonka. I was gonna take him back down and then tell him to the I was gonna use Black Widow and then maybe rent like a U-Haul or something and then take him to a car wash, but then we'd have to take forever in the car wash, scrub him down. So I'm gonna break it down first and then, you know, hopefully take him to the car wash and wash them. But let's see what we got. Real quick, I got these from Amazon. I thought these were pretty cool. Got this for my keys for Black Widow. I just put Chevrolet keychain. I got these pretty quick. Amazon Prime, awesome. Obviously made for trying to look at this. But either way, I thought it was cool. But so we got some stuff for the garage. If I could find out, I'll go. Ran out of hand cleaner. Buy some more. Purple Power. About to use this on Tonka. Same with this. And I talked to D-Wix about the toolbox. And I think we will be splitting the toolbox. He pays like 104 and I pay 104. These were the brushes I was talking about. It's like a medium bristle. It's not too soft. And then of course this little sponge thing. It was like $1 or $2 also. I got 2 of these brushes. And yeah. I'll mix this up and where's the bottle? Like I said, tools everywhere. Back in this bottle, we use this also and get the scrubbing. Simple as that. So let's get dirty. Boom. It's actually really windy out, guys. Of course, when I record, it dies down. Because this was whipping a second ago. That was whipping a second ago. I don't know. But I need to quit messing around. Maybe I do buy some stupid stuff, but I thought it was cool. Alright, bottle mixed up. I'm going to spray Purple Power on this side, Simple Green on that side, and, you know, just see which one is going to work better on this. I assume, I don't know, is this concentrated? Yep, concentrated. So, this one, I filled up to probably about right here with Simple Green, and then the rest with water. So, I watered this down a little bit, but it should still work pretty good. Oh, look at that. Disgusting. Give it a nice spray down. Let it soak for a little bit so we can scrub it. Hopefully, oh man. Hopefully it works pretty well so we don't have to work as hard. Which I probably shouldn't have even watered down the Simple Green. because I really want it to break down quite a bit. So we might have messed up on that, guys, but nothing but some elbow grease. Man, this stuff's strong. Alright, soaked it. Let's go to the other side. I've actually never, I don't believe, ever used purple power before. So it quite honestly probably would work better than this. I've heard nothing but good things. Come on. I don't know if you guys heard that. Every time, most of the time, like especially whenever we first started YouTube, every time I start recording, there's a semi coming off the highway, something like that. But I mean, I've heard great things about purple power, but I think this is my first time actually using it and putting it to the test. I usually just use simple green, so we're about to find out. I mean, the smell of it smells strong as shit. Not gonna hold you. Look at all that grease starting to come off. It's actually supposed to be a color like this, guys. So we're taking all the grease off, all the dirt, everything after all these years. Tonka's a 92, and yeah, who knows what he's been through before I got him. But I'm gonna quit being lazy. I'm gonna take all the suspension and stuff off the front, where I'll still leave the subframe. But yeah, I'll get the scrub. We're gonna have multiple parts of cleaning Tonka, but whenever we're ready to take them to the car wash, man, this focus is being stupid right now. Come on. Okay. But when we're ready to take them to the car wash, I guess I'll throw all this old suspension on, because of course we don't want to get the new pretty stuff dirty, spraying all this stuff. Or we might make a little dolly for them. I'm unsure what I want to do. As you see, this isn't necessarily concrete, so making a dolly, we're gonna have to use bigger tires. But I guess let's get to taking the stuff off. Alright guys, so I got the two sizes. It's gonna be a 14 and a 17. It will be 17s right here on EGs, and then 14s for the struts. But what I do is I take let's go with these two 17s down here on a little lower fork, and then I believe this is a 14 also. I can't remember, 14, I don't think it's 13. Yeah, it's 14. So I take this, drop it down, and then I take this the strut out, and then I'd probably actually knock these out first before you take the upper ball joint off. And then I'll actually fold this down because we're putting everything back. So what I will do is break these 17s loose, take that out, break this 14 loose, and then get the two 14s, drop this out, and then so we could get up along here, I'll have this broken, and then the two 17s, and I'll take the upper ball joint out. Alright, run down real quick. You'll see how fast I can do this. Also, there's a little brake line right here. It's held by a 12 or two 12s. Almost forgot to tell you guys that, because yours is probably most likely hooked up, which mine is not, because in one of the other videos we ripped it out. Because we're going to go with Stash Auto with their brake lines. So that's out of the way. It's going to stay on this arm. But, so 14 first. Let's see. This has tension right here. So to break the tension, let's go with a 17. And it's not about how fast you guys work, guys, but efficiency is great. I had these set up. Now hold one side, take the other out. Of course I didn't grab a hammer. Of course I didn't. Be right back. Okay, got a mallet. Sorry for the angle, guys. D-Wix is not here. He's doing homework. I'm just here in the shop by myself. Boom. It's gonna look like this. And then what I do is I put them together, so you don't lose it. Because, I mean, I'm not trying to buy another one. I'm not trying to go to the scrapyard or anything. I usually have a metal tray, but I'm putting it on the brick right now. So that's loose. Drop the fork down, like I said. And then take your 14 again. I'm probably actually just going to loosen the 17s up on this upper ball joint and just swing the whole thing down, since I don't necessarily want to mess with it. So I think that's actually what we will do, guys. Ended the clip on accident. Let's get these 14s. It's going to start falling down. See? So you guys get it. I'm not trying to drop this, so I'll cut this clip. Nice little tip, guys. Pause. So once you drop this down, lift it up. Boom. That is exactly how you change your front suspension. Easy way. You could do that along with your axle being in the way, which obviously you do not have one. But that's the way I change my suspension. But so I don't lose these 14s. Put them right back on here. That's a simple way to not have to dig through your magnetic tray like over here. But that's a lot of unused bolts that we're going to be using on Tonka. So that's not really a problem. But when it comes to stuff like this, I throw it back on. Okay, so 17's next. Oh man, I'm sweating. But yeah, so spring and summer is around the corner, and Kansas weather is bipolar. If you know, you know. But I don't know. I was gonna buy wood for this, but as long as it's not windy, it's fine. I like that because we could just unclip the top, just get it all over, and we have a whole room and a door of you know, a breeze. But it's a little windy today. To cut down the noise, it's closed. But I'm sweating. We might need to buy a fan in here. We have a heater. We're gonna need a fan. It's almost summertime. All right, so back to this. 17. Same thing. Once you do this, put it to the side. I'll put it right here because we're gonna put it right back on after we drop it. Okay. So we're probably gonna need to go down there and shake it a little bit. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Now this is out. Man, this ball joint is gone. Good thing we got a new one. I believe we're going with True Hearts. Sneak peek. But we're going with True Heart uppers later on. Oh, that's disgusting. Look at that. Good thing we did take it out. That's a lot to scrub. Okay, guys. We might have an issue. It's starting to come off down here. But this is all caked. So I'm probably going to need something more aggressive. Like, I will probably scrape it off first with a flathead. Don't worry. If I scratch it, we're still painting it later on. We're not just going to clean it and put it all back together. But, like, right here. That is ridiculous. Look at that. Just crumbles up. But, fair warning. If you guys go this much into detail when you build your cars, you better lube up your elbows and put some elbow grease into it. This is crazy. Yeah, scraping is the way to go. Look at that. I just scraped it with my pry bar. Oh, the big chunk fell off. Alright, hold on. Try it again. Look at this. Oh, that's disgusting. Look at that. Yeah, I recommend scraping it first and then scrubbing, guys. Because there's no way I was scrubbing through that with a sponge. I was putting elbow grease into it. FYI. FYI. For you smart asses out there. I was putting in work. Pause. But no. There's no way. Guys. This is nothing to mess around with. That's disgusting. But we're getting somewhere. I think, hear me out, ditch all the medium soft bristle brushes. Ditch this until later. But when you first start attacking it, you should probably use a stainless steel sponge or something metal. Like a metal brush, something. If you're worried about scratching the inside of this, you're gonna paint anyway. But this is, oh my gosh. This is, look at that. I barely even did anything to that, guys. But yeah, so we are probably gonna switch to metal soon, because it's not doing anything at all. This is what we're looking like, guys. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. So, I was using my noggin, right? Cleaning my hands. If this takes it off your hands so well, why not put it on a brush? And let's see how this works. Because yes, those are degreasers. But how fast this breaks it up off your hands? Because this got hard on my hands. Pause. So let's try this. Man, this stuff smells good. Alright. I probably should put you guys on the tripod. But this, boom. Gotta test this theory out, because I mean, if it cleans your hands so well, in theory, it should clean this card pretty easy. Or maybe a little easier. Because rather than buying a whole, because look how much purple power I use on just this side. And it only looks like this. So, try new things. Okay, let's change this to spray. Or not spray, whatever. What setting is that? Scream. Oh, screw it. And some of you guys might be like, yo, Slayer, that's why you're using so much. I mean, it's looking like it's working pretty good to me. So, I use this for the clean off. And the soap to scrub. And we'll see how far this goes, because I cleaned off this much, but earlier I was scrubbing and using the spray. So, man, this is gems. Alright guys, so I just rubbed on my hands like I was about to wash my hands. And we'll just use a little help. Brake parts cleaner. Brake cleaner. And I just scrubbed it on Tonka just like it was my hands. And it actually looks like it's working pretty good. I just use this because it has pressure. I do not have a pressure washer, guys. Yeah, that's disgusting. But huge difference. Alright guys, I don't want to bore you with just scrubbing this. So, yeah, I recommend just using a hand cleaner like the Cherry Bomb if you're going to scrub the car down, which I will probably do for the rest of the car. But I'm going to get this all done off camera. I'll possibly do the driver's side also tonight. But as you see behind me, it's starting to get late and I work in the morning. I work first shift, as I mentioned before. But, I mean, it's going pretty well. So, thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed, stay slaying, keep fucking gunning. And I'll catch you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And, yeah, I guess back to getting dirty. It's looking good, guys. We are looking good. I'm using Snapchat right now because my camera's messing up. But, in my view, looks pretty clean. I'll get more done tomorrow. It is currently 9:13 p.m. So, I'll get the rest hopefully done off camera and get this video out for you guys.